It's so pleasant.
I have nothing at all.
There is plenty of room on my place for you to come and play.
Get him, dear. Mummy has got you.
There's space here. Come over.
May I have this? I want additional space from you, and I also want this.
Yes, take everything.
Give it to me.
But that's mine.
I want everything.
That's mine. Is not anyone seeing this? Please do something.
You all have too much conflict in that area. I want there to be a resolution to resolve this. Terrorism. Beat him, get him. He has the right to defend himself. He is defending himself.
Israel must kill the Palestine because it's spreading violence and hatred, which has no place here. But Israel must have the right to defend himself.
Where are you, Muslim brother? Please help me. I am in trouble.
Stop beating Palestinians, otherwise you will face dire consequences.
If you come to defend him, we will beat you too.